Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have another wig that we are going to be reviewing from RPGSHOW. This is their Dominic 29 wig. I'll leave the links to this wig and everything about it, everything that I use into this video in the description box down below. So if you guys have been noticing influencers get way better wigs, it's because they know different options to choose to make sure that their wigs look super realistic on camera, look super good in person. You know, whenever you see that hairline and it's just like super realistic and it's a wig but you can't tell, that's because you don't know all the options. I'm spilling all the tea. I'm gonna share everything that I know, how to order a wig that really has the most beautiful hairline, how to get a fake scalp on the inside, and everything that you need to know to order from RPGSHOW specifically to get a wig that looks super realistic. Hey, what is my wig specifically? Like, what does my wig specifically have to get the same wig? Swiss lace is the best that you can get, especially if you're fair skinned. You're gonna want it to say transparent. That is the most important part, because no matter what, like if you're scared about cutting lace, whenever it comes to Swiss lace, like especially transparent Swiss lace for me, I can cut it like really bad. I could take like the worst scissors ever and not do a good job on the cutting, but it's still going to look like amazing on camera. It's still gonna look amazing in person. Nobody's gonna be able to see it. If you guys have been wanting wigs like us, where we just like go like this, it looks like so real, it looks like we're like effortlessly making a wig look amazing. It's not us, it's the wig. And that's like the biggest secret ever, is it's really not us. Like, we don't do a lot of work. It's just the options that we get, like that we choose whenever we're getting the actual wig. So the option you're gonna wanna pay the most attention to is, if you guys want, whenever you see the girls and they're going like this into the camera and they have this amazing hairline and it just looks like their own, if you guys want this pre-plucked hairline, so you see all those spaces, you want exactly what influencers get, this like really amazing hairline, you're gonna wanna choose the deep pre-plucked hairline option. This is going to give you what I get. That's where you're gonna get the wig where whenever you go like this, people are gonna think it's your own hair and they're gonna be like, how is that not your hair? How is that a wig? That's what's going to fool the eye. The second thing that I get is bleached knots. Whenever you see the option of bleached knots, there's light and then there's deep bleach. I always get the deep bleach, especially on, let's say if my wigs have a little bit of roots, you're gonna want that deep bleach, because even this, I'm gonna show close-ups, it looks amazing. It looks like the hair is actually coming out of my skin. So if you don't know what bleach knots are, it's basically whenever they take the hair and they're putting it through the lace and they're tying it. There's always gonna be this little dot. So if you've ever seen a woman that's wearing, or yourself, and you put on a wig and you have all these dots everywhere in the front of your forehead and you're like, this looks completely disgusting and I could tell that it's a wig, it's because you don't have bleach knots. So the company, what they'll do is they'll flip the wig over, they'll bleach the knots on the inside, so this way you don't see all those tiny dots. The tiny dots are there, but you don't see them because they are bleached. So what I like to get is deep bleach. Another thing that I got into this wig, which I think is so important, so like I said, if you guys have hair underneath your wig, you're gonna want to get a fake scalp on the inside. This is an option, like nobody's getting it into their wigs, and I think it's because nobody's really showing it that's fair skin anyway. Like, I know a lot of other influencers are showing it, but fair skin ladies, I feel like they're not getting those wigs. And that I even wondered, I asked them, I was like, okay, so if I get a fake scalp, what color would I need? Like, I didn't even know. And so they answered back and they told me I needed the nude color. It's the nude fake scalp. This looks so realistic. It makes the wig look real. It makes the wig just look like amazing. So these are the options that are super important that I felt like you guys needed to know. It's what I asked RPGSHOW. I wanted to make sure that you guys knew exactly what I was getting and explained everything for you guys. She's so pretty, so beautiful. You guys have been looking for a really beginner friendly, long, beautiful, stunning wig. I'm gonna have her linked in the description box down below. And I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next. Bye guys.